Hi friends, my name is Gunjan and you are watching Glamour Unleashed. Today I'm going to review Sugar Matters Hair Lip Crayon Value Box Set. So this is the box in which the lipsticks come in, and these are the crayons. They are very beautifully arranged and they come with a sharpener of their own. Now I know they are for quite a while in the market now, but I think I'm the last one to review it. But as they say, better late than never. So here it is. So coming to the pigmentation, it's really pigmented. You just need one swipe of it and it's really opaque on your lips. Now coming to the consistency, it's really creamy. Once it settles down, it settles into a matte finish. It is dermatologically tested, so it's really safe to use on your skin. Now it doesn't have that all that bad chemicals like parabens and mineral oil in it, so I think it's a great product. And it's individually priced at 7.99, but if you buy it in a value pack, it I think it costs you around 2699. So I think it's great and it's really affordable, because other contemporaries are evenly priced at the same price, like on the same lines, I guess. Let's get into the swatches. The first color that I have here is the Scarlett O'Hara 01. Now girls, this is a true red color. This is not crimson red or brick red. This is a pure red. This can instantly make you a diva. If you want to feel glamorous, wear this. If you are down, wear this. You'll feel up, you'll feel happy. Now if you are going date with your partner, then do wear this color. It will do magic to your date. It will just, I don't know why, but I think dates are related to the red color, and I think you girls should definitely try this. So I think this is the color you'll need to make any of your day glamorous day. See? The second color that I have here is 02 Mary Poppins. Now girls, this is a very nice pink color. Like, it's not fuchsia pink, it's not baby pink. It has the right amount of pink in it and it has some purple undertones. I love this color. It's really nice. It just pops up my face. I don't know why I'm telling that. But yeah, that's really a nice pink. Like, if you are on more on the flirty side, or you're a bit naughty, like in general, then I think you should try this color. It will suit your personality more, and I think it's really nice color. Like, you can pair it with anything. It's not necessary that you have to wear something ethnic or something western wear. I think it'll go on every outfit, and yeah, it'll suit every skin complexion. As you can see, this is a real nice pink come purple come, a real nice pink color. I just have no words to say about it. It's really that good. The third shade that I have today with myself is this 03 Poison Ivy. Now this is a dark plum shade, you guys. This is what to say, this is a very deep plum shade. It is really perfect for a little aged women, though there is no age limit for any color, but I think this would be best suited for them. I personally think so. That's my personal opinion, though I love dark colors, but still I think these are the colors I relate. When I was younger, I used to see my mummy or my auntie wearing these. uh, Generally they tend to wear, as obviously it makes them look young, but all credits to Alia Bhatt. She made this a rage with her student of the year. She made these bright and dark colors, like wearable for everybody. So I think that's a great option for everybody out there. So yeah, if you like dark shades, then this is the shade I think you should really try. This is really a nice shade, a deep plum shade. I think it will suit every skin category, age category. That's it. And the last color that I have is is the shade 04 Holy Go Lightly. Now this shade, as you can see on my lips, is really my lips but better color. I really like this shade. It makes my lip like I have worn nothing but like it's a great nude shade, and I think it suits every skin tone. I have seen everybody wear it, like from Debashri to Shreya Jain, like everybody is wearing, and it really looks nice on them. So this is really a great color, you guys. If you want to try it, if you want a nude color for your lips, then I think this is a great option. You can definitely try this. And this is the shade again, Holy Go Lightly 04.